Here I have CUBOT X18, and today I'm going to show you how to perform master reset operation on this device, which is basically just the factory reset but through the factory mode. So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the appeared menu, you have to use volume down key to navigate and power key to select. Firstly, you can just select this eMMC option, or you can switch to English language and then select clear eMMC option. And after that, your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.